Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share Wi-Fi password on iOS 18. So make sure your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is turned on and make sure a personal hotspot is off and make sure that another phone which you want to share the password, that phone number in your contact list, that another phone, make sure. So after next is you can just go back in your iPhone settings and just tap on Wi-Fi and tap to the more settings in Wi-Fi which is connected this network, and make sure another phone is nearby you. And it's also, you can just tap on this Wi-Fi password and it will be when your face ID unlocked and it will be showed, so you can easily share with another phone password your Wi-Fi and it will be connected easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.